Peace and love, everyone. This is Sister Iman. I am dropping another video. In this video, I will be reading and showing you articles about the earthquake that happened today. A moderate magnitude 4.6 hits northwest of Pangai, Tonga. A 4.6 magnitude, sorry about that. A 4.6 magnitude earthquake struck near Pangai, Tonga. The tremor was recorded around noon on Tuesday, December 7th, 2021 at 1:30 p.m. local time. So it was a 4.6 magnitude hit Pangai, Tonga. A moderate earthquake magnitude of 4.4 hit southwest of Puerto Lobos, Mexico. A magnitude 4.4 earthquake hits Puerto Lobos, Mexico on the morning on Monday, December 6, 2021 at 9:30 a.m. local time. So the 4.4 earthquake hits Puerto Lobos, Mexico. Okay. All right, so let me scroll down here. Next article. Right. Okay. Right here, I'm gonna hit this one here. A earthquake, a magnitude of 4.3 hits northwest of Bima, Indonesia. A 4.3 quake in Indonesia near Bima City. It happened on the night of Monday, December 6, 2021 at 10:24 p.m. local time. So it was a 4.3 earthquake hit Bima, Indonesia. A magnitude 4.7 earthquake hits Aomori, Japan. A earthquake magnitude 4.7 hit Aomori, Japan on Monday, December 6th. On Monday, December 6, 2021 at 11:33 p.m. local time. So there was a 4.7 earthquake hit Aomori, Japan. An earthquake of magnitude 4.7 hit northwest of India. A magnitude 4.7 quake hit northwest India on the evening of Monday, December 6, 2021 at 6:44 p.m. local time. So there was a 4.7 earthquake hit northwest India. I'm going to post the link of these articles in the description box. I'm going to close out this video. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.